Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be making some spicy stir-fried chicken sauce paired with rice. But the first step is to cook my chicken. So this chicken has been marinated. So the chicken has been marinating for 2 hours. I'll just let it cook because the spices have infused into the chicken already. For the spicing of the chicken, I used curry, thyme, kitchen glory, yellow pepper, Maggi, salt, cloves, ginger, garlic, turmeric, and onion. So I'll just let my chicken cook, and after it's done, I'll be going into the next step of the cooking. Next step, I'll be washing my veggies, which is the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the yellow pepper because it's hot and spicy, and our onion leaves. We also have our carrots and we have our onion. I'll be washing them properly. As you can see, after washing them, we'll go ahead and slice them to any desired shape that we want. After our chicken is boiled, I'm going to go in to frying immediately. As you can see, I'm putting my chicken on the frying pan. Excuse my frying pan because I cook with it, so you can see there are all scratches and all of that on this frying pan, but that's not a problem. So the chicken is fried. I'm just removing it from the frying pan and setting it on a flat plate for later. As you can see, my veggies are all cut, so I'm going to be putting the onion on the frying pan for it to just fry up, and then I'll just let it sit there for a while. So our veggies are frying, and I'll take a plate. I'll put in soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet chili, mix that together and pour it on our veggies. And after that, I'll just grab a spoon and mix that all together. After that, I'll take in my chicken broth and pour that on my veggies. So after tasting the sauce, I realized the Maggi was okay, so I didn't need to add any Maggi cubes because the chicken broth already had spices and Maggi. We're done with our cooking, and you can see this is the juicy chicken sauce. Bye.